Hey guys, Rob here with your EbuyerGaming weekly roundup of some of this week's biggest announcements in both gaming and tech. So there's no way I could make this video without mentioning the return of World of Warcraft Classic, which was released on the 27th of August and has seen a huge surge in popularity over the last week. While many servers have extremely large queues, the game has had a mostly smooth launch and is being enjoyed by thousands of people who are both experienced in World of Warcraft and also completely new to the game. To meet the increased number of players, Blizzard have been releasing more servers and also increasing server capacity for the higher number of players. It's amazing to see the hype around this game, and I'm excited to see how it grows in the near future. In other news, more details have been revealed for Cyberpunk 2077, which according to the producer is set to feature a map that's slightly smaller than that of The Witcher 3, but much denser. At 7 PM tonight, August the 30th, there will be a live stream over on the CD Projekt Red Twitch and Mixer channels to showcase the gameplay, which was shared with journalists and gamers at Gamescom 2019. This will include more information on the Pacifica district of Night City and plenty of information on playstyles and the game design itself. In esports, one of this year's biggest organisations, 100 Thieves, have announced that they will not have a team competing in the Call of Duty World League that is scheduled to be in 2020. Their founder, known online as Nadeshot, released an 8-minute video discussing the reasoning behind the decision and emphasising the organisation's priorities as it grows into a full-scale business. While many fans will be disappointed, I think it's a smart move by the org, and it highlights their commitment to their brand they are building and their commitment to the creators and employees that now work for them. And finally, September 5th will see the launch of Gears 5, and the game can now be preloaded on both Xbox One and PC. The servers are going to be live at 9 PM on September the 5th for those that have pre-ordered the Ultimate Edition or subscribed to the Xbox Game Pass, as Gears 5 is going to be included on the pass. I'm going to be checking this game out next week on our Twitch stream, so if you're interested, make sure you're following us on the link below. But that's all for this week, guys. I hope you all have a great weekend and don't spend too long stuck in the WoW Classic queues. We'll see you next week for more product reviews and gaming videos, but other than that, I hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll see you next week.